Well, good Monday, President's Day morning to y'all, February the 19th, 2018. And on this day was the first TV President press conference in 1955. They had their first press conference. How about that? Well, I did want to share something with y'all this morning. This is something that I've been very careful about. I wanted to show you. I had a problem with my microwave, and that's me. I had a problem with my microwave, okay? The light bulb went out in the microwave, and it's back there. I was able to pull the microwave out, and I had to loosen up some screws and stuff around the edges and get it done. But I got the light bulb repaired, and it works. And that's the only thing I wanted to do. So then I had to put this board, back up into position up there. And this is what I wanted to show you. Be very, very careful of this ribbon right here. This ribbon controls the board, controls everything. You hurt this ribbon, you might as well throw the board away. But in my case, I'm going to send it out to a company in Texas, and they're going to help me with this ribbon. Right here is where it got caught. I got a piece of tape over it right now, but anyway, this right here got caught on this lip right here. Okay, that's very sharp. So anybody that's replacing their bulb on the Hotpoint KitchenAid Super, this is an old one. This is about, I think it's about 17 years old maybe. But it's a good one, and it still works, except I messed up the ribbon. So instead of getting a whole new unit, what I'm going to do is send the board out today. I'm going to take some pictures of everything, all the connections, so I'll remember where everything goes. Focus, people. Focus. Okay, so I'll know where everything goes, and I'll put it all back together just like it is now. Okay, hopefully I can get these connections off. Should be no problem, they say. We shall see. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I've told you before that this is John's Day Digest, and things that I do, I'll share with you. And you all have a great week coming up, and we'll catch you later. Hey, one other thing. Please give me a thumbs up at the bottom of this video down there. It's down at the bottom down there. And then you can give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, please. And subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing some pretty interesting stuff. I got to rebuild or work on my generator today on my motorhome, and I might take some videos of that. Anyway, Smokey says hello. They got out this morning without their cars or out their leash, and they ran around the 4 acres and other people's 4 acres, and they had a ball, but I was afraid that might get picked up because they didn't have their collars on. But anyway, everything's under control now. Hey, yeah, Cole's locked up in his little cage over there. His little den. Alright, catch y'all later.